an environmental scan, and an annual statistical report. And as mentioned earlier, one of our most important documents is our 2014 to 16 business plan. So just as an example, our 2013 Toronto Police Service Performance Report, this is just a page from that performance report. It shows the objectives for each of the goals that were tied into the priorities between 2011 and 2013. You can see here that this one refers to the priority of child and youth safety, and it highlights the specific objectives and indicators and how the service did against a baseline. So we're constantly measuring our performance against priorities and the expectations of the community and then baselines that we set for ourselves. The service also provides a lot of information to Statistics Canada and to OMBI, and that information is used to determine Canada-wide crime statistics and look at how the service actually is performing relative to both Ontario, other services in Ontario and across Canada. So as an example, we've got a crime severity indicator that actually determines how severe crime is in various areas of the country. And we utilize that information significantly in our organization. As an example, a Community Safety Command utilizes that to develop initiatives such as our crime, traffic, and order management policy, and to look at planned deployment to target areas where there are more violent crimes. So we have a number of service objectives that we measure utilizing this information. Finally, what we wanted to highlight is we've actually begun an initiative with other police services in Ontario. It actually started at the Ontario Association of Chiefs of Police Budget and Finance Committee, where we all agreed at that committee that we really need to be comparing our services to each other because we're all in the same business. So the initiative is going to look at what we do, how we do it, and how do we measure it using relevant and comparable measures. Our next steps are to secure commitment from all of our OACP partners, which includes our chiefs and boards, to develop our project plan and timelines and to actually move towards alignment for the 2017 budget process. Needing to recognize, though, that this is a major effort that's actually going to require complete transformation of how information is captured and evaluated.
So this last chart shows our 2015 budget in terms of where the money is budgeted for. This is on a gross basis. It does include about $65 million for the Pan Am Games, which is fully recoverable. But it does show where we budget our money. As I indicated before, though, if you look at the actuals then compared to that, and this is the part of the challenge in terms of measuring that information, depending on